Referrals are one of the easiest ways to grow your business without spending a dime, and when a client recommends you, that new lead trusts you automatically, and that makes them way more likely to book you. In this video, I'm breaking down a simple automated referral system that brings in new clients without you having to do any extra work. Let's get into it. Why do referrals work so well? They come with built-in trust. People trust recommendations from friends and family way more than any ads or cold outreach. They also convert at a higher rate because referred clients are 4 times more likely to book you than cold leads. And they cost you nothing. Unlike ads, referrals bring in new business without you having to spend any extra money. With referrals, you can build more business with a ball of lint and a paperclip. That's why it's my favorite. A small referral system can double your client base fast because if just 10 of your clients refer one person, that's 20 total clients with almost no extra effort, guys. Easy money. Make sure you ask for referrals at the right time because timing makes all the difference. The best moments to ask are going to be right after a job is completed when the client is the happiest, or after they leave you a 5-star review, since happy clients are more likely to refer others in the moment. A simple ask like, hey, I'm really glad you're happy with my work. If you know anyone who needs their windows cleaned, I'd love to help them out. I also offer a referral discount as a thank you. Or if they hesitate, you can just follow up with something like, do you know at least one person who might need their windows cleaned? You'd be surprised how often that little push gets you a name. Use referral cards to make it easy. A physical referral card is going to make it really simple for clients to pass along your info and for you to keep track of who referred who. The referral offer can be something simple like 20% off for both of them when they refer a friend, or you can even tell them to just give them this card and tell them to mention your name when they book their cleaning, something like that. Also, adding a QR code linking it to your booking page makes it even easier. Handing out your referral cards after every job so clients don't have to think twice about sharing your info. They could just pass it on. Create a simple referral program. A referral program is going to give people a reason to actively recommend you. Some easy reward ideas would be 20% off for every referral, a free window cleaning after every 5 referrals, gift cards for Starbucks, Amazon, or local restaurants. The key here is to keep it simple and remind clients about it regularly. You can drop that referral program on follow-up texts, emails, and social media posts so that it stays top of mind for your customers and they can just refer you clients 24/7. You guys can also automate referrals using technology. The easier you make it, the more referrals that you're going to get. Some simple ways to automate this process would be using Google Forms, by creating a quick form where clients can submit referrals, or referral apps using tools like Referral Candy or Tap Mango. Those ones help you track referrals easy. Automated texts and emails also, you can follow up with past clients and remind them about your referral program. An example follow-up text, you can send it 24 hours after a job. You can say something like, hey, thanks for choosing me. If you know someone who might need a window cleaned or something, I'd love a referral. Here's a link to where they can book. Thank you for helping me. Have a good day or something, Keep it short, friendly, and include a direct link. That's going to make it easier for them to act on it. Getting referrals isn't about luck. It's about having a simple system that makes it easy for happy clients to send people your way. To make this effortless, I put together a PDF with referral request templates, follow-up messages, and a simple referral card design that you guys can use right away. Check it out and start stacking those referrals today.